and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is just going to be my May favorites. I did miss my March and April favorites. I am really sorry about that, but things have been really busy. As always, all the products I mentioned in this video will be listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get started. So my first favorite is a tattoo. I did go ahead and get another tattoo. It is my fourth tattoo. If you guys would like to see what I have for other tattoos, I will leave my updated tattoos and piercings video down below. It does exclude my newest one, but if you guys would like an updated one, be sure to let me know because I can definitely do that. My newest one is on the outside of my right ankle, and it just says, "I was not built to break," and it's in like a really cool cursive font. I got it on March 31st, and I will go ahead and insert a picture here. I was gonna vlog it, but I completely forgot. If you guys have seen my other tattoos, you all know they have special meanings to them, and this one is just a reminder that I can conquer anything. Next up, I jumped on the bandwagon of metal straws. Yes, I of course want to save the turtles, but also I'm just really sick of plastic straws melting in the dishwasher, and I was at Walmart and I found these. They came in a pack of 4 and they were less than $3. If you get these on Amazon, like the fancy folding ones or these ones, they're upwards of like $10 to $15. Some are less, some are more, but for a pack of 4 for less than $3, you can't beat it. And they also came with a brush so that you can stick it up in there. That sounded really dirty, but that way you can clean them out. And no, they're not two separate like brands or packages or anything. They all come with rubber, I guess, protectors over them for comfort, convenience, I don't know. However, they collect things like hair, and so I like to go ahead and take them off. However, for the video, I figured I would show you how they come. To go along with that, I also got a reusable tumbler. I am a huge coffee drinker, and I love iced coffee. I'm not a huge hot coffee drinker, and I really wanted a tumbler that would keep my iced coffee cold throughout the day. I found this one at Walmart. I was gonna go ahead and get one of the outdoorsy Walmart brands that look like the Yetis. However, I found this one and it is by the brand Built, and it was only $1 more, and it is like a rose gold glittery one. And then on the top, it just has a little swivel top, and these straws fit perfectly with them, and this will keep your drink cold for 12 hours. Next up is something really big, and it is my degrees. If you guys didn't know, at the beginning of the month, I did graduate from college. I now have my Associates of Science in Health Science, which is the first degree that I got last May, and now I have an Associates in Applied Science in Medical Assisting that I got this year. Having these 2 degrees in my hand is such a good feeling, and these are definitely favorites of mine this month. And then another product that I've been absolutely loving is my ice watch. I got this from my grandparents for Christmas, and I featured it in my What I Got for Christmas haul, but it is just a light blue ice watch with gold detailing, and I actually started my medical assisting externship, so I've been wearing this every day for that, because when you're taking respirations and pulse, you need to have a watch with you. It is super duper comfortable. It's also very cute. I love it. Cannot say enough good things about it. It has a nice face that you can actually see. And then my last 5 favorites for this month are pretty much all beauty related. The first one is a new toothpaste. I stumbled upon this at Walmart. It is just by Burt's Bees, which I had no clue Burt's Bees made toothpaste and stuff. I know they did like makeup and chapsticks and that kind of stuff, and they have pet products, but I didn't know they had toothpaste, and so I saw this and it was only $1 more than like normal toothpaste cost. And this is the Enamel Care with Fluoride toothpaste in the flavor Mountain Mint. And what's great about this is that it's not tested on animals, made without sodium, lauryl sulfate, and triclosan and parabens. Butchering that, but that's okay. There are no artificial flavors or sweeteners. There are no preservatives or blue, red, and yellow dyes, and there are no plastic microbeads in here. For being a pretty much natural toothpaste, it has a great taste. I was really worried that it would have like an awful taste, because I know with like some all natural toothpaste, like the Tom's of Maine ones, they have like a weird tomato taste to them. This one does not, and it's actually minty. I also have a scent favorite. This one is from Marshall's, and I got it for $4.99, and I've never heard of this brand before, but it is Aubusson Paris. Literally just butchered the crap out of that, but that's okay. And it is the scent Perfect Love Always, and it's a body mist, and I literally use this pretty much every day and have for the past almost 2 months. And as you guys can see, there's still a ton left. As we know, I suck at describing scents, but let me tell you, it smells amazing. It's not florally or anything, but it's just really girly, and I love it. And then my last 3 products are strictly makeup products, not just beauty products, but makeup ones. And the first one is an eyeshadow base. This is the Sorbet Undershadow, and I absolutely love this. They sent this to me, and let me tell you, I've never tried such an amazing eyeshadow primer. I used to be really big into the e.l.f. one, and then I moved on to the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, but let me tell you, I will never use another eyeshadow base ever other than this. It is super creamy, and I can literally put eyeshadow on and it will not crease whatsoever. I know there are a ton of eyeshadow primers out there that are like, oh, it won't crease, but they still do. This one does not crease. I also got a new product from First Aid Beauty. I've worked with them a bunch before. This is just their new Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer, and mine is in the Cover Ivory because if you guys can't tell, I got really pale skin, and I absolutely love this. And this is really great because summer is just around the corner, and I cannot stress the importance of using a product on your face with SPF, and this has SPF 30. And what's also great is that it is safe for sensitive skin. It will not break you out or anything, or at least it hasn't for me, and I have possibly the most sensitive skin out there. And my last favorite for the month is the new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is not necessarily a new thing. However, Ipsy did just recently make it so that anyone can buy it. Before, I think it was only for influencers, but now any one of you can get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the box for April. I am a little bit behind on unboxing it and showing you guys, and I actually haven't used any of the products in here. If you guys would like me to do like a first impressions testing them or get back to you on how I like them, let me know. I did go ahead and open it and look at everything, but I haven't actually used anything. But for those of you who are wondering what the difference is between a Glam Bag from Ipsy and then the Glam Bag Plus, the Glam Bag Plus subscription is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products, which is the main difference between the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. With the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, you get 5 products and they are usually deluxe or travel-sized samples. However, literally everything in this box is a full-size product, and in total there's usually over $100 to $125 worth of products in here, and they ship for free within the US. And if you guys are interested in trying out Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I will have a link for it in the description box for you guys, and I figured I will go ahead and show you guys what is in here. So this is just what it looks like. As you guys can see, they are all full-size products. The first one is the Paris Hilton Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel, and this retails for $29. There is also an eye cream. This is just the Gold Faden MD Solution Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate, and it is basically an under eye cream. And this right here retails for $55, and keep in mind you're paying $25 for just the entire box in general. Next up is a cream. This is the Feel Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream, and this retails for $28. There are 2 of these lip pencils. These are the Girlactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. The light pink one is in the shade Twinkle, and then the purpley one is in the shade Periwinkle, and these are $34 for the set of 2 of them. And lastly is an eyeshadow palette that retails for $35, and I was actually pretty devastated because when I opened mine I saw that there was purple everywhere in my box, and that is because one of the eyeshadows did in fact break. The palette is still usable. This is the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez. This is what the palette looks like, and the purple shade actually broke even more since the last time I checked. The colors for this are pretty crazy. All the colors on the top are mattes, and then these ones are shimmers. I'm really excited to use these 2 neutral colors, and then I'm probably gonna have to find like crazy events to go to wear these. So those are all my favorites for the month of May. May was definitely a very exciting month for me, especially since I did graduate with my 2nd degree, and I also started my externship, which is super exciting, and I do plan on doing a bunch of videos related to that. So if you have any like specific requests about externships, whether it's the interview process, getting an externship site, what an externship is, what you do during it, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do that. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!